Good morning, all of you. I am Professor Kavita N. Kharse. I am recording this video to submit the assignment to IIT Bombay for the FDP on use of ICT in education for online and blended learning as a team of RC 1229 and group number 006. Today we are going to discuss the topic as Principles of Management. The domain for this same topic is Management and Social Science. The subject title is Principles of Management. The topic today we are going to discuss is Planning in Management. Our target audience is MBA students. The learning objective of this discussion is to recall and understand the level of different kinds of concepts of planning into management, and also to apply the conceptual knowledge into the business applications. Also analyze and create some kind of class activity which could actually the interesting activity for the business applications, like the case study activity. Planning is actually the most important aspect, not only from the MBA students' perspective but also for we all as every human individuals. In our day-to-day life, planning is actually having a most important factor. Planning is a 5-phase simple flow like what to do, how to do, when to do, anticipating consequences, deciding future plans. So according to Hyman, planning is the function that determines in advance what should be done. Now the process of planning is incorporated of 6 simple phases. At the very initial level, you need to define the task, that what exactly is the task. To find out what exactly is the problem. At the second step, we need to identify what are the different kinds of resources available to solve the specific problem. Next to that is find out the different alternatives which are available. After that, we need to create the planning to apply the alternative for the solution to the problem. Next to that, work on the plan, and finally evaluate the plan by taking the feedbacks. Different types of plannings are corporate planning, divisional or functional planning, and group planning. So let's discuss first of all the group planning. So group planning is actually the planning which is applicable for specific groups or section within the organization or a specific department or division of the organization. This group planning is actually applicable at the lowest level of the organization, that is called as operational level planning. And this type of planning is considered as the most simplest category of the planning. Next to that is considered as divisional planning, that is actually applicable at the middle level of the organization. It is incorporated of different kinds of plans that has been formulated to face the challenges or problems in the enterprise. It also determines different kinds of scopes and activity for the specific department or the specific division of the organization. Corporate planning of the organization is actually applicable for the top level of the organization, that is also called as the strategic level of the organization. In this particular planning, the entire strategies for the organization, for its growth and profit, as well as the policy formalization can be dealt by this specific category of planning. So this is all about the different kinds of planning and how it is applicable into today's business world. Here are some of the evaluation strategy for the teacher. Some of the questions that could be solved based on whatever the discussion that we have actually did it. These are some of the references wherein we can actually get the case studies for the management planning. The textbook that has been referred for this specific discussion is Principles of Management by P.C. Tripathi and Reddy. Various tools used for preparing this particular videos are Screencast-O-Matic as well as for PowerPoint presentation, Amaze PowerPoint 13. Thank you very much.